where we explore cryptocurrency and SHIB in great detail. We have some really exciting news to share today. With our professional opinions, we are discussing the possibility of SHIB reaching that elusive 1 cent threshold. Lola is a well-known member of the SHIB community, and you may already be familiar with her. Holy cow, Lola just laid up 15 convincing arguments for why SHIB is a good investment. From a cyber perspective, I must say they are quite convincing. Please consider subscribing to my channel. Appreciate the vids and feel free to leave your predictions down below. Please see the video until its conclusion. I am grateful for your backing. We will begin by discussing SHIB's acknowledgement in Hong Kong. Hong Kong's virtual asset index added SHIB and 29 other cryptocurrencies in June 2023. Given Hong Kong's prominence as an Asian financial center and the fact that it allows investors to assess the potential benefits and drawbacks of virtual assets, this step was monumental. And with Hong Kong's approval of Bitcoin spot ETFs also in the works, crypto assets such as SHIB may witness a dramatic increase in demand. Our next topic will be the connections between Robinhood and SHIB. You are all aware that SHIB's listing on Robinhood is significant. Recall that Robinhood was the one to trigger the previous bull run, and Lola thinks that the fact that SHIB is listed on Robinhood indicates that they do not condone pump and dump tokens. Renowned financial managers such as BlackRock and Fidelity have reacted to reports that Robinhood owns more than 20 trillion SHIB tokens. Please tell me what I'm missing here that doesn't indicate complete faith in SHIB. Last but not least, let's talk about the big problem. This SEC will present strong evidence that SHIB does not satisfy the Howey test requirements, so the USSC cannot classify it as a security. In addition, cloud mining is not a part of SHIB's underlying contract, and the launch itself was not profit-driven. Seems like SHIB is safe from any regulatory trouble for those of you who were concerned. Discussion about decentralization is in order. Not only that, but Lola, a well-known member of the community, emphasized how SHIB is completely decentralized on the Ethereum network. Yes, I understand. Here there is no overarching authority exerting control. Additionally, SHIB integrates with SaaS, has confidential computing capabilities, and supports several chains. Describes state-of-the-art technology. There's more. All throughout the globe, SHIB is creating quite a stir on various exchanges. According to Lola, there are more than 90 controlled and decentralized exchanges where SHIB is listed at the moment. Binance, Kraken, and Kucoin are just a few of the major players that offer their services worldwide. SHIB is now more accessible than ever before for investors, and now for something truly intriguing. SHIB is more than just another trading token. Lola brought out the fact that SHIB is joining the ranks of other alternative payment methods on certain platforms, placing it on par with Visa and MasterCard. This is an example of adaptability in action. Alright, now we can discuss the founder. Ryoshi, like Bitcoin's enigmatic founder Satoshi Nakamoto, operates under a pseudonym. Keeping things under wraps is key, isn't it? However, things start to become interesting at this point. There is now a full circulating supply of SHIB tokens. Yes, there are no securely kept tokens, which makes it very difficult for any one entity to exert influence over the ecosystem. With a total of 589 trillion tokens in circulation and 410 trillion burnt, when it comes to SHIB, there is no comparison. Just in case you forgot, the author of this analysis and the writing is Shibarma from their YouTube channel. To access the Shibarma YouTube channel, just change the channel you are viewing to it. Much obliged. Also, its relationship with Bitcoin should not be overlooked. So if Bitcoin's value increases, SHIB is expected to do the same, according to Lola. As SHIB follows BTC, market dynamics are the key, everyone. On the other hand, the SHIB army, SHIB's thriving community, is probably its strongest suit. Their unwavering commitment to spreading the word about the token and drawing in new investors is what will drive its success and expansion. By the way, SHIB had a remarkable market cap of $20 billion when Lola made her post. This was almost half of its highest valuation from 2021. This further proves that SHIB is highly promising and may achieve even greater success down the road. Now, as Lola claims, the deflationary tokenomics of SHIB are one of its greatest strengths. You may be wondering how it fights inflation. In any case, due to large volume, worldwide demand, and relentless burn campaigns. Actually, more than 410.72 trillion SHIB tokens have been destroyed since its launch in August 2020. Wow, that's a huge amount, everyone. Not only that, though, the target audience for SHIB was individual retail investors. No matter how much the token costs, Lola stresses that everyone becomes SHIB. Because of its low cost, investors of various sizes can afford it. Alright, now let's discuss safety. With Shib, investors can rest easy knowing their investments are secure because it simply meets all security criteria as an ERC20 token. And now for something else intriguing. The fact that Shib is compatible with both public and private networks indicates that it is interoperable. We won't get ahead of ourselves if we say something has adaptability. As Lola gives investors a boost, believe in Shib. Keep in mind that it will take some time before it reaches its predicted 1 cent price level. Nevertheless, a positive surge towards that price threshold may be imminent as the daily burn rate of tokens continues to rise. By the way, talk of Shib potentially hitting the 1 cent level sooner than anticipated has been revived by its recent advance. The head of marketing at Shib, Lucy, feels the same way, but let's be honest. Getting to 1 cent won't be a picnic, particularly given the vast amount it provides. With 589 trillion tokens in circulation, when do you think Shib will reach 1 cent? We may be looking at the years 2033 to 2040, according to leading analysts and analytics systems. It's a game for the long haul, folks. Forza Rust 33 was, however, where Shib was being traded at the moment. To get to the coveted 1 cent level, it would have to rally 30,258 from where it is now. Even while the cryptocurrency market as a whole has leveled off recently, with some assets trading flat and others suffering small losses, market watchers are certain that this is likely only a temporary lull before the inevitable crisis. By storm, I mean a possible impending price explosion that might send prices flying to unprecedented levels. The current price movement of Shib is worth discussing. Everybody remembers how Shib soared from 5.0 on February 23rd to 4.0 on March 5th, its highest point in 27 months. Doesn't it? In only 11 days, that's an incredible 371% rise. On the other hand, Shib has been trading in a range ever since with no further noteworthy jumps. Things become intriguing, though, at this point. Although Shib was unable to capitalize on Bitcoin's recent rally, its range-bound fluctuations may really be a sign of a significantly larger price rundown. Even Miles G Investments brought this up in one of their latest posts. Only a gentle nudge. The swift analysis and content are property of the Shiba Inu channel on YouTube. It appears that you are not seeing the Shiba Inu YouTube channel at the moment. The Shiba Inu YouTube channel is a must-visit. Much obliged. Tell Miles that Shib has returned to accumulating territory as is usual after a precipitous drop in price. And surge in inflows from large holders over the previous 30 days is supported by statistics from Into the Block, which verifies the trend of huge buying by whale investors during this phase. An alternative result. Please share your opinions with me by leaving a comment below. Remember to hit the like button and subscribe for more content. Until we meet again, may you trade happily.